Hello, we are Team 36. Our team is made up of Annie Chen, Radu Boris, and Shelly Shen. Our project is on creating a virtual fitting room through generating custom-sized 3D models using the HoloLens. Our clients are Meetail and Microsoft. Meetail is our primary client for this project, and they are a retail startup that enables consumers to try on clothes digitally. Currently, the company owns web and mobile applications that allow users to select garments to try on to a model of their proportion. To demonstrate the practical application of mixed reality to the business, our team has created a Unity application deployed on the HoloLens that simulates a virtual fitting room. Our requirements for the project were gathered by having an in-depth conversation with our client. Throughout the whole process of the project, clear communication with our client helped us with our decision-making to ultimately build a list of requirements for our project. This includes research and identify a suitable application with a business perspective in mind. Then, to learn Meetail's internal tools, for instance, Meetail's API to generate 3D models. Then, we also need to build a mixed reality solution using Unity and C#. Also, we need to utilize the HoloLens for the final deployment of the project. Here's a figure that shows the system architecture of our program. First, the user inputs his or her own body dimensions. Then, we send a request to Meetail's API to render a model of the user's size. And then, on the HoloLens, the user can pick clothing in the augmented reality world to view on the user's own model. Next, the user's model with clothing can be viewed in a 360-degree view. And all of this is created on the Unity platform with the help of the Holo Toolkit. Now we will show a demonstration of the key features of our program. As you can see, we are viewing the application from the HoloLens. We have used the live screen capture to display the view from a user during the HoloLens for the purpose of this demonstration. Here is the welcome scene of the application. The user simply clicks Next to proceed with the application. Now, this is a menu where the user can input his or her own body dimensions. This includes height, weight, chest, waist, and hip. The user can use air tap gestures to add in the corresponding values. As well, the user has the option to drag the slider on the bar to change or modify any values. Once the user is done, the user clicks on the Submit button. Now we have moved on to the next scene in which the user's model is being loaded. The loading sign shows that we are still rendering the model from the API. The model of the user's dimensions has been loaded. This is the first model the user will see and wears all black to indicate the model is undressed at this state. As well, we can rotate the model in a 360-degree view. The user can now tap the clothing rack on the left to select clothing. A new scene appears with a collection of clothes. We have purposely made this scene in Unity's play mode instead of the live capture on the HoloLens. This is because we want to demonstrate another way of viewing this application. And now the user can drag left or right to see all of the clothing that is available. The user has selected the red dress. Now the model is shown wearing that same dress. And as before, the user can rotate the model in 360-degree view. And now, if the user wants, we can go back to the collection of clothing to select another dress for the user to try on. As you can see, as we drag from left to right, this essentially works as a scroll bar so that we can view all of the collection of clothing. We have chosen the blue dress. The model is displayed with the blue dress, and as usual, we can rotate around to see what it looks like from all angles. Thank you for watching our video. Lastly, we want to give thanks to our clients, Microsoft and Meetail, for their support and assistance, our TAs, Jacob and Danielle, for their directed guidance and patience, and the UCL staff for making this project possible. Thank you.